Hey everybody, this is Scott with Hogue Knives. We're here at SHOT Show 2019, and I'm going to start talking about some of our new knife products we have here at the show available. First, starting off, this is one of our new out the front that we came out with this year. This is the Exploit out the front, and it's made out of CPM S30V blade steel, laser engraved on the backside here, designed by Alan Lishwitz. It's got a deep pocket carry reversible clip, 6061 aluminum anodized frames. They come in black or gray, clip point or tanto blade, along with a PVD black or a tumbled finish. Next, I want to talk about something that's existed in our catalog here for a little while. This is the Micro, okay, the Micro Switch, which is a sub 2-inch blade. This is a drop point. What we've done here is we've added this bottle opening feature on the back side of the blade, so when the knife's closed, you can open bottles with it. Also, we've upgraded the clip. We've got a new clip here for the Micro. Again, same offering, but a few upgrades. Same blade steel, anodized gray. And then I want to talk about another new out the front. This is the compound out the front. It's G10. It's got a 3-piece system, G10 cover, G10 case, and an aluminum anodized chassis on the inside here, which allows that knife to kind of behave a lot like an aluminum out the front and add strength while also having the comfortability and the G10, you know, for weather resistant and stuff like that. So it's got our patented G-Mascus pattern on there with an aluminum internal. Comes in a tanto and a clip point, tumble finish or PVD black. Again, a deep pocket carry clip, reversible. Another new out the front offering here at SHOT Show 2019. All right, guys, I just want to take a quick moment to talk to you a little bit about that compound out the front, that new Hogue design we came out this year with G10 external and aluminum internal. So right here, just as an example, this is that aluminum 6061 chassis inside of the G10 case, hard anodized black, and this is kind of how we bolstered the entire system to add strength while also improving the action with that aluminum hard anodized surface mating against the steel blade as it comes in and out of the knife. So this is a patent pending system we're working on right now. It's never been done before this way, and we're really proud of it. Again, the G10 FDE cover just goes right on top of that knife, and it assembles just like a standard Hogue out the front from that point. Hi everybody, Scott Bruins here with Hogue Knives at SHOT Show 2019, here to talk about some of our H&K knives behind me here. So first, we'll start with the Hadron out the front. Again, this was released last year. Not necessarily a new offering, but one of our out the fronts for the H&K line. This comes in a tanto serrated blade, FDE, aluminum case and cover. You also have the option of having it in black or a clip point black blade, non-serrated. And then moving to my right here, we have a new out the front for the H&K catalog. And this is the H&K Mini Incursion. And what this is a sub 3-inch blade, and it's got a black aluminum case and cover, and it's got a carbide tip glass breaker on the backside here incorporated into the deep pocket carry clip. Okay, one of the added features on the H&K Mini Incursion. Moving on to a new fixed blade in the H&K catalog we're releasing this year at SHOT Show. This is HK Fray. It's got a paracord wrap. This is a tanto blade. It also comes in a clip point blade, only offered in a black finish. We also have a sheath, a simple thumb release sheath that comes with the knife as well. H&K Karma, based on Alan Lishowitz's EXO2 design, incorporated seatbelt cutter, again carbide tip glass breaker, serrated tanto blade or clip point blade. It can come in orange or black, and this has the H&K texture on it that matches that VP9. And then last but not least, right here to my right, we have the Exemplar, the HK Exemplar. This happens to be in an FDE G10, again with that HK VP9 texture along with the texture border. This is our pivot lock or bar lock. It's just a manual folder, thumb stud actuated. And this is a clip point blade, serrated. It also comes in a tumble finished clip point blade with no serrations. Also, you can get it in black as well. And those are our H&K knives here at SHOT Show 2019.